Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Highguard game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just have to open PS5 screen, click on PlayStation button, select power button and then select restart PS5. Once your PS5 restarts, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5 first on your PS5, then click on power button and unless two beep sound occur. After that, leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, now try to launch it and check. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network and click on settings. Now click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. If not, next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select the game. Now after that, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar and then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here we'll see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then it deletes save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data in game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and then select console storage and then click on delete option. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings and click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Highguard game and then select restore. Finally, confirm by selecting yes. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on our PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if there is any update available, and finally select update using internet option. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on your PS5 and then move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally select restore option. Next is to reinstall a Highguard game. For that, first you have to highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Highguard game again to check if the error is fixed or not. If not, then the last method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. Just open it and explain whatever the issue you are coming across and wait for some time unless the support team tries to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.